The laughing kookaburra, the king of the Australian bush. The laughing kookaburra is the largest species of kingfisher, outsizing even the giant kingfisher in body mass. It is a stout, stocky bird, 41 to 47 centimetres in length, with a large head, prominent brown eyes, and a long and robust bill. The sexes are very similar, although the female is usually larger and has less blue to the rump than the male. The male weighs about 196 to 450 grams, and the female 190 to 465 grams. They have a white or cream coloured body and head with a brown stripe across each eye and more faintly over the top of the head. The wings and back are brown with sky blue spots on the shoulders. The tail is rusty reddish orange with dark brown bars and white tips on the feathers. The heavy bill is black on the top and bone colour on the bottom. The laughing kookaburra can be distinguished from the similar sized blue-winged kookaburras by its dark eye stripe, shorter bill, and the smaller and duller blue areas on the wing and rump. Male blue-winged kookaburras also differ in having a barred blue and black tail.